Yes, good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So, today we will continue the lesson number 8. The name of this lesson is the pronoun, kinds of pronouns. So today we will do the exercise of this lesson. So, before we start this exercise, so what is a pronoun, students? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. प्रोनाउन क्या होता है? सर्वनाम, जो किसकी जगह यूज करते हैं हम, जिसको संज्ञा की जगह यूज करते हैं. सो जब आपको हम बता रहे हैं कि जो प्रोनाउन है, व्हाई वी यूज अ प्रोनाउन. ओके, सो द प्रोनाउन कैन डू एवरीथिंग दैट नाउन कैन डू. सो दे कैन बी सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वेरियस प्रोनाउन you know very well, I, we, you, they. Okay, so why do we need them as already have a noun? So student, you know very well, to avoid repeating nouns again and again in the sentence, and repeating nouns makes sentence cumbersome and complex, so we use a pronoun instead of a noun. Okay, student, clear? So you have already know that the we have already studied the 5 kinds of pronoun. So first, as a personal pronoun. So we today we will do the exercise related is as a personal pronoun. So what is a personal pronoun? The student, the personal pronouns are stand for 3 person: first person, second person, and third person. Now here I am sharing a chart related this personal pronoun. Please have a look. So personal pronoun we use as a subject or object. As a first person singular we use I, and object we use me, and the second person we use you, and as an object we use also you, and the third person singular he, she, it, and the object we use he, him, her, and it. In the first person, अब हम बात कर रहे हैं first person plural की. Yes, first person plural we use we as a subject, and us we use as a object, and the second person plural we use you, and the object we also use you, and the third person plural we use as a subject they, and the object them. Okay, student, so now let's start the exercise related to a personal pronoun. Now, exercise number 1, fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. So first one is here, look at the house, how dash burn. So here we use हम as a it, हमने आपको यूज किया as a person form में यूज करते हैं as a किसके लिए, things के लिए. So here look at the house, how it burns. Okay, the next is dash am sorry if dash have hurt dash. So here we use as a singular as a I am sorry if I have hurt you. Now number third, now girls dash must not excited. So here we use now girls you must not be excited. Number 4, the teacher told Mohan that he should obey him. तो किसको उसका कहना मानना चाहिए? he should obey him as के किसके लिए यूज किया हमने? as a object, और he as a subject. So number 5, dash like Meera. So I like Meera because I feel dash I can trust her. So here we use I here as a subject and her as here as a object here. So this exercise is related to a personal pronoun. I hope you have understood. So now let's start the another exercise related to a reflexive pronoun. So now student, what is a reflexive pronoun? So reflexive pronoun, the words myself, ourself, yourself, himself, itself, and themselves are used. So here looking at the example, I blame myself for it. Okay students, so I blame, मैंने किस पे blame किया? I myself for it, मैंने उसके लिए अपने आप को blame किया. So before starting this exercise, we will study from this chart. Okay. As a reflexive pronoun, okay, so we use a word myself, yourself, himself, herself, and itself. So here we use as a subject pronoun. As a pronoun आपको पता ही है, जैसे I, you, he, she, it हम use कर रहे हैं. As a plural में we, you, they. So these are the pronoun as we use as a subject. When we talk about a related pronoun, so we use as a myself or I. Okay, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. Now as a plural we use as a we. As a reflexive pronoun we use ourself, you, as a you, yourself, they, themselves. Okay student, so let's start this exercise. Number 1, I wash dash when I get up in the morning. So student, here we use as a reflexive pronoun. I wash myself. Okay, so I here as a pronoun, so we use as a reflective pronoun, as a we use as a myself. The next sentence, the horse has hurt. The horse के लिए हम as a कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे reflexive? As a horse has hurt itself. Here we use as a reflexive pronoun itself. Number third, he dash went to see the prisoner. So here we use he himself went to see the prisoner. Okay, now next sentence, we use she as a category of female. So here we use she herself does not remember anything about the episode. Now number five, Rita, you will hurt yourself. अब Rita क्या है? As a हम बात कर रहे हैं कि you will hurt. Rita कह रही है कि you will hurt. तुम क्या करोगे? खुद को ही क्या कर लोगे? Hurt कर लोगे. तो here we use as a you, here as a pronoun. So here we use reflexive pronoun as a yourself. Now number six, we often deceive ourselves. So why we use ourselves? So here our subject is here as a we. Number seven, the thieves hide themselves. So here why we use themselves here, students? So here themselves used for a thieves. Okay. Now number eight, the boys helped themselves to the cake. So themselves किसके लिए use कर रहा है as a plural? Boys के लिए. So here we use the boy helped themselves to the cakes. Number nine, Pinky dressed beautifully for the party. So Pinky dressed herself beautifully for the party. Number 10, you yourself wanted this. Okay, students. So I hope you have understood the exercise related to a reflexive or emphasis pronoun. Okay, so next exercise is related to a demonstrative pronoun. So student, in demonstrative pronouns, these, that, these and those are used to point out an object, so for which they are used. Okay, so these and these refer to things lying near at hand, and these and those refer to things lying at a distance. We have already studied. Okay, so now let's start the exercise. So this exercise, exercise number third, this exercise is related to a interrogative pronoun. Okay, yes student, I'm explaining from the chart. Yes, interrogative pronoun we use as a who, whom, whose, what and which. Okay, so student, as a who we use as a person, as a subject, whom we use as a person, as a object. Now whose is used as a person, as a possessive. जो हम possessive की बात करते हैं हम क्या use करेंगे? Whose. Now what is used for as a thing, and which is used for a person or thing. Okay student, so now I hope you have to understood the interrogative pronoun. Okay, now, exercise number third is related to interrogative pronouns. The interrogative pronouns are used for asking a question. Okay, who made that noise? What is the matter? Which is your book? Whom do you want to see? Whose pen is this? So you understand that WH word is used for an interrogative pronoun for asking questions. So let's start. Number one, fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns. So dash is the merchant here and dash the Jew. So हम बात कर रहे हैं interrogative pronoun. So we use a pronoun who is merchant here and who is the Jew. Okay. So now number second, dash did you give my message to? Yes, whom did you give my message to? Number third, which is your brother's bicycle? Number four, हम bicycle की बात कर रहे हैं तो so we use which as a interrogative pronoun. Number four, what did you enjoy at party? Number fifth, dash by whom were you instructed in this matter? So I we have to understood the where we use whom, who, which, what and whom. हमने किसके लिए यूज किया? अभी अभी हमने चार्ट से मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कहाँ पर एज ए पर्सन की बात करते हैं सब्जेक्ट की तो हम who यूज करते हैं, एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट की हम बात करते हैं तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? हम यूज करते हैं. Okay students, so now I hope you have to clear this. So now let's start our next exercise related to a relative pronoun. So before this I am explaining some important points to a relative pronouns. So now, so student, what is a relative pronouns? The word who, whom, whose, which and that. So student, don't be misconfused that these words are also used in interrogative pronoun, but we talk about relative pronouns. So these words are also used are used to join two sentences together and refer back to nouns going before them. For example, first number देखिए, this is the man, he stole my purse. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं कि ये वो आदमी जिसने मेरा पर्स चुरा लिया. अब इस सेंटेंस को, दो सेंटेंस को हमको क्या करना है, एक ही सेंटेंस बनाना है, लेकिन उसका सेंस क्या है, वही है. So this is the man who stole my purse. So here we omitted कर दिया हमने प्रोनाउन, एक ही सेंटेंस बनाया है, तो ये वो आदमी है जिसने मेरा पर्स चुराया है. सो दोनों सेंटेंस का मीन्स तो क्या है, सेम ही है, लेकिन हमने दोनों सेंटेंस को हमने एज ए रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज किया है, एज ए हु. तो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हु यूज करके हमने उसको क्या कर दिया, एक ही सेंटेंस बना दिया. सो हियर यस, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड टू जॉइन टू सेंटेंसेस टुगेदर एंड रेफर बैक टू नाउन्स गोइंग बिफोर देम. ओके, क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, दिस इज द हॉर्स इट वॉन द रेस. अब मैं बात करती हूँ हॉर्स के लिए, तो हमने रिलेटेड प्रोनाउन भी यूज एज अ विच. मैंने आपको कल एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था कि किसके लिए कौन सा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे. फॉर एनिमल्स के लिए हमने क्या यूज किया है, एज अ विच. सो हियर दिस इज द हॉर्स, यह घोड़ा है, मतलब घोड़े के लिए, हॉर्स के लिए हमें यूज एज ए प्रोनाउन इट. ओके, यू नो वेरी वेल. सो इट वॉन द रेस, तो इसने क्या जीत गया, रेस जीत गया. सो दिस इज द हॉर्स विच वॉन द रेस. घोड़ा है जिसने रेस जीत ली. Okay, clear? So here we use as a relative pronoun. So who does two things, it joins two sentence. जो who does किसके लिए, दो चीजें के लिए, it joins two sentence. It is also used for a man that goes before it. ये किसके लिए आया, एक man के लिए आया है जो पहले ही, उससे पहले उसकी बात करी. For example देखिए नंबर 1, this is the man he stole my purse. This is the man who किसके लिए आया है, who किसके लिए आया, एज अ मैन की बात कर रहे हैं हम, है ना. तो who किसको रेफर कर रहा है, ऐसे मैन को बात करता है, तो इसके लिए हमने ये यूज किया. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर अ नाउन एज अ मैन दैट गोज बिफोर इट. Yes, student. Now, second, whose does two things? Yes, it joins two sentences. It is also used for a noun. Boy, किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, boy के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, that goes before it. Okay, students, it's clear. So now, a noun to which a relative pronoun refers to or relates its cause its antecedent. जो noun relative pronoun में हम यूज करते हैं, वो रेफर बैक उसी को ही करता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, एंटीसीडेंट. हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते हैं पूर्व पद. अब देखिए, इट विल बी नोटिस दैट इन सेंटेंस 1 द एंटीसीडेंट ऑफ हु इज अ मैन. एंटीसीडेंट कौन है, हु इज अ मैन है. इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस द एंटीसीडेंट ऑफ हुज इज अ बॉय. से लुक इनटू द एग्जांपल. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस एंटीसीडेंट क्या है, man. So here you look as a man. This is the man who. So here we use relative pronoun. So इसमें पहले antecedent कौन है, man है. Number second sentence में we use as a whose relative pronoun. So उसका antecedent क्या है, boy. Okay, so हम whose किसके लिए रेफर कर रहे हैं, हम whose किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, boy के लिए. So this is the boy whose father is dead. तो whose किसके लिए, यह वह boy है जिसके पिता मर गए हैं. तो whose we use for a boy. So this the boy as a man we use as an antecedent. Okay. So now, as a general rule, who is used for a person. मैंने आपको कल ही बता दिया था, हमने लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्लियर हो गया था, वो किसके लिए यूज करते हैं, पर्सन के लिए. इट में रेफर टू अ सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, who is used in speaking of a person. We met that man whose child was hurt. ये whose किसके लिए रेफर कर रहा है, yes, women के लिए. Now whom is also used in speaking of a person. Number नेक्स्ट, विच इज यूज फॉर एनिमल. विच किसके लिए यूज करेंगे, फॉर एनिमल्स और थिंग्स के लिए विदाउट लाइफ. एंड नेक्स्ट, दैट इज यूज फॉर अ पर्सन, एनिमल्स और थिंग. Okay, clear, student? I hope you have to clear. So I am explaining this from a chart. I am already explained. Okay, so now I think it is clear to you. So this exercise is related to a possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. ओके, अभी हमने बात कर रहे थे रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन की, बट ये एक्सरसाइज किससे रिलेटेड है, पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव और पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन से. क्लियर है? सो पहले मैं आपको डिफरेंशिएट बता देती हूँ कि पॉजेसिव जो एडजेक्टिव है उसमें कौन कौन से वर्ड यूज आते हैं, एज योर, हर्स, हियर. ओके, now student, before this exercise I am explaining a chart. There's a difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So student, you know very well, as a subject we use I, we, you, he, her, it, he, she. Here we use she. Okay, she, it, they. Okay, now we use as a possessive pronoun, so we use as a mine. ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. When we talk about a possessive adjective, so we use as a my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. अब आपको differentiate करना है कि possessive pronoun में हमको कौन से ऐसे use करने हैं और possessive adjective में हमको कौन से word use करने हैं. Clear student? So here we will talk about as a possessive pronoun. तो student मैं आपको पहले clear कर देती हूँ कि what is a possessive pronoun. Yes, and the possessive pronoun we talk about a possession. हम जिसकी बात करते हैं as we बात कर रहे हैं कि possession. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम पोजेशन की बात करते हैं वो क्या कहलाता है, हमारा पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन कहलाता है. ओके सो जिसमें हमारा अधिकार हो. ओके दिस पेन इज माइन, आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल, दिस पेन इज माइन, तो इसमें मेरा अधिकार है, तो ये पेन क्या है, मेरा है. तो क्लियर, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. Student, let's start exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So student, what is different between possessive pronoun and adjective? जब भी हमारे जो adjective आपको पता है, adjective modifies, adjective qualifies noun और pronoun. जब भी हम बात करते हैं possessive adjective की, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या use कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए हम use कर रहे हैं as a possessive. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज माई पेंसिल, सो हेयर वी यूज एज अ, बात कर रही हूँ मैं आपकी पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन की. तो हम देखते हैं कि पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन में हम जो भी वर्ड होते हैं वो एज ए एडजेक्टिव, एज ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज करेंगे, लेकिन पोजेसिव जो प्रोनाउन है उसके लिए हम एज ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ वर्क नहीं करता. ये ऐसे वर्क करता है आपका कि क्या वो आपका अधिकार बता रहा है, वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज नहीं आता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Number 1, I have lost dash pen. So I have lost my pen. Why we use as a my pen here? So my here is used as a possessive adjective because we use my pen. My word, my use as a possessive एग्जेक्टिव यूज किया क्योंकि इसके साथ हमने एग्जेक्टिव को बताया आपको क्वालिफाई करता है नाउन और प्रोनाउन को. हियर पेन इज हियर एज अ नाउन हियर, सो वी यूज अ वर्ड माय पेन. सो कैन आई हैव वन ऑफ योर्स, सो हियर वी यूज एज अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. सो हियर वी यूज एज अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन आई हैव वन ऑफ योर्स. ओके नाउ नंबर सेकंड, अनिल हैज लॉस्ट his pen. अनिल ने अपना पेन खो दिया है. Ask Maya if she can lend him her. अब क्या क्या हम इसे कह सकते हैं कि here we use कहते हैं कि ask Maya, माया से पूछिए if she can lend him, क्या उसको दे सकती है, her उसका खुद का पेन दे सकती है. Here we use as a possessive pronoun. Now we have had our breakfast. तो हमने अपना क्या लिया, ब्रेकफास्ट लिया. Have they had their, क्या उन्होंने अपना लिया. So now you have forgotten to bring dash book, so you can have mine if you please. So here we use as a your and mine as a pronoun. So now number 5, they have lost dash bicycle, so they can use ours if they like. So here we use as a here, there is here we use as a adjective here, and our use as here is a possessive pronoun. Why? Because there we use as a, we use with a noun. Bicycle here is a noun, so here as a we use there as a possessive adjective. But next they can use ours, वो use अपना कर सकते हैं, we use as a possessive pronoun. Okay student, I hope you have to understood this chapter. So tomorrow we will discuss the exercise number 5.